Let's review this fully undetected ELF malware written in Golang, which is actually an XMRig minor dropper. We will run the file on a VM to see how it behaves in high level. To gain persistence, the malware writes to cron tab, and the execution path is a bash file called python 3.8. Now let's review what's written in this bash file. We can see that it actually runs a binary called MySQL server, which is the sample itself copied to this path that the malware created. And it's already running on 3 threads on our server. The malware also created a path called javadoc, and this path contains 2 files. The first file is a configuration file for the XMRig miner. And the second file, Java update, is the XMRig miner itself. And it's already running with 6 threads on our server. And this is how it looks in Protect. We have 1 infected asset, and we have 2 open alerts, which makes sense. One for each malicious file, for the dropper and for the XMRig miner. Let's look at the alert view. So we can see all the information about the malicious file, its process tree, the binary name. We can see that it ran as root, the commands, the process ID, and we can also browse to the analysis in Intezer Analyze. Let's take a look at the miner alert. And again, we can see the binary name Java update and the command that it ran, and that it ran as root. And we can also here look at the analysis in Intezer Analyze.